Another critical concept to understand when it comes to planning in SAP Analytics Cloud is the idea of versions. A version in SAC refers to the version or category of data that you are viewing and planning to. One version that everybody uses is actuals. Actuals are the real transactions that occur in the course of business. Most planning is done with other versions though, like a budget or a forecast. Many organizations will use their own terminology for their versions that aligns with their own planning cycle and planning process. And these can get very specific, like October 2024 plan. Using versions in SAC allows you to compare your plan to your eventual actuals, or to use your actuals as a foundation for your next plan. Analytics can be done over time to improve the quality of your planning as well. When you are in SAP Analytics Cloud and looking at a planning page, it's important to be aware of the version management panel. This panel can be found when you have a planning table selected by clicking on the signpost icon in the toolbar called Version Management, which will toggle open the Version Management panel. It can also be found in the Tools drop-down here by looking for Version Management, also indicated by the signposts, and that will also open up the panel. In here, you can view all of the existing public versions that exist in your model, and you can also create private versions by adding them from scratch or by copying them from existing public versions. Private versions are a great way to conduct offline planning or to create what-if scenarios to evaluate different changes before publishing to the official public version of the plan.